Spring is here, the weather is great, but the trails aren't. Little ice isn't going to stop us though. Owen and I are on our fat bikes. South March Highland trails are beautiful. Let's ride. Okay, Owen, we're not gonna go down this, okay? Stop here. Stop here, this is too icy. Whoa! Are you okay? Okay.
My leg hurts.
Okay. Do you need to rest for a sec?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a seat. Have a seat and rest up.
Okay, I think that was pretty good. Just letting people know that we are no longer in the woods.
We are, well, I mean, the woods is right there. That's where we were like.
Whenever I shake the device from left to left or up and down, like that's me nodding or shaking my head. So, yeah, I had a lot of fun. Hey, that's not woods, that's a forest.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what happens whenever my dad tries to get bikes on.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Also, you are not very good at getting this done in a short period of time.
That was a pretty short period of time, buddy.
It was 1 minute. I was betting on it taking you like over a minute, and it's
Okay, get in the car. Let's go home. Hi. How was that, Owen?
pretty good.
Pretty good?
That's fine. We're back in the car.
We are back in the car.
No, it's fine.